Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you what you can do from the technical perspective for the Whirlpool machine if it's going to be F05 error. So F05 error is a potential pump failure at worst, or hopefully it could be just blockage in a waste a water hose or a pump filter. So these are the things that you want to check out. Technician will be able to isolate the cause of the faulty display, but probably you can also try it out by yourself. So what you want to do is the beginning of the waste water hose. You just want to check it out if it's actually oak and if you don't have any blockage there. And you can have also like there on how to clean the washing hose. It really depends what kind of type you have. So turn off the water, then you're gonna have like just unplug it, remove the hose from the machine, and you can just like drain it and clean it completely. And there are many ways how you can do it. So you're gonna have probably blockage in your hose, so try to just like remove it, clean it, and put it back in. Maybe it's going to fix the issue. Have a great day and goodbye.